Hello friends and welcome back. Today we are making chilaquiles, aka sheet pan enchiladas. Let's get started. Alright, the next thing you want to do is grab your tortillas and the cutting board that your cousin made you in Delaware. Take these out. And we're going to come in and cut them into tortilla-sized triangles. Here we go. Alright, and now you want to grab a bowl. And now dump all your tortillas into a bowl. Once your tortillas are all cut up, then go ahead and get yourself 1 pound of ground beef. Fry that up. Let that cook for a few minutes. Add 1 diced onion. Cook that for a few minutes. And then add 1 pouch of taco seasoning. And then I just added 1 pouch of water to that. And I mixed it up and gave it a little simmer for a little while. And you're good to go. And then when that's all done, cool it down for a minute and dump it all over your tortillas. Alright, meat goes in. Now we're going to add 9 ounces of enchilada sauce. I'm using the old El Paso mild red enchilada sauce. And now we're just going to give that a good stir. Now we're going to add some cheese. I have some Kraft Mexican 4 cheese. I'm going to add some in. I'm going to save some to put some on top. Alright, that looks really good. I think we're ready. Grab a sheet pan. I'm going to dump it all in the sheet pan. Now we're going to spread it around. That looks pretty good. I got some green chilies here. We're going to add that to it. All over. I'm going to add jalapenos on one side because my kids can't take it. Too much heat for them. So I'll just add a few on my side. Pretty good, huh? Alright, I'm going to add a little bit more cheese on top now. I've got my oven preheating to 375. We're going to bake this for about 20-25 minutes And at that point, I'm going to wait for it to be all bubbly and brown on top, and I bet it's going to be amazing. There we go. There we go. Into the oven we go. And there you have it. After 22 minutes, it is ready to go. Doesn't that look delicious? Let's do a taste test. Oh, it tastes just like an enchilada. Get the little crispiness of the tortillas, the spiciness of the enchilada sauce. That's delicious. A little crema on top, a little avocado. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and you should really try this. It's super easy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel because it helps the channel out big time. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.